In this video, I'm going to share with you the method our team uses to achieve a 70% return. So, for example, if you have $1,000 in your account, then after just a few days, you'll have a significantly increased balance of $1,700. I'll now share some of our proven secrets that will genuinely help you grow. And, of course, you'll find out how we make money, and you'll be able to join our team and earn together with us. What you need to know is that we have 11 traders who are professionals in their field, and each one has their own unique strategy. That's why we brought all of this together, and the guys shared their strategies, so we built an entire system for making money. We also have experts in the UTC market, meaning when our market is closed and only the UTC market is available to us. Currency pair. Plus, we have experts who know how to analyze trading news. This is also very important information. There are analysts who look at what's happening in the world, which news can help you make money, and which ones are better to avoid trading on right now. That's why we have a large analytics team, which allows us to achieve these kinds of returns. And of course, there are technical traders, like myself. For example, I'm one of them, those who analyze charts and trade regular currency pairs. It might seem like a pretty simple thing to do, but it also takes experience and certain skills. So let's talk about those skills right now. Look, here's a simple example of analysis. I just closed a trade in profit, a trade going down. Why did I do that? Look, here's the situation we had. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. First, I looked at the chart on the 1-minute time frame. What's happening here? Let me actually clear everything from here. What was going on here? We can see that the price, it was at the highest horizontal volume. I marked this level on the 1-minute chart. It might seem like with such high volumes, we should go higher. But then I decided to play it safe and check the same range on the 5-minute chart. I see that we have much more. This whole situation, this line is much bigger. And on top of that, we have this kind of unfilled imbalance here. So, for me, that's a good target to open a trade from here. But since the price is going to get there anyway, and the price was somewhere in this area, that's exactly why I opened a short trade on the 1-minute chart. So, for this basic analysis, I only used horizontal volumes, vertical volumes, and, accordingly, smart money tools. That's all you need for analysis. So, really, it's a pretty simple analysis. First, I did that. On the 1-minute chart, I looked at where the price could potentially go. Then I opened it up again, double-checked on the 5-minute chart, and realized that we have a good opportunity to open a sell trade. As you can see, it really was a very confident trade. I managed to pull it off. And that's exactly because we do completely different types of analysis. Some people have a statistic of 80% profitable trades, some have 95%, but the frequency is different everywhere. So, for example, a person who closes 80% of their trades profitably might open, say, 50 trades. Another trader who has a 95% win rate might only open 4 trades a day, and accordingly, that's the kind of statistics we end up with. So, over the long run, our trader stats are roughly between 77% and 90% profitable trades. That's the average value, so we can take 80% as a solid average. The process works well for us because we have a large team and different strategies, which is why we're able to perform so well. Here's how you can join us. All you need to do is go right now to the links in the description. First, check out our website. You can already find a lot of additional and useful information there, so you can head over to the site right now. I'll leave the link in the description. Another option is you can message our managers or contact our support account. I'll also leave the link to that in the description and in the pinned comment. Through them, you can get into our exclusive elite club, where you can copy our trades. Or, the second option is copy trading. In that case, you simply connect your account to ours, and all the trades made by our traders are automatically copied to your account. So feel free to message us directly, and you can start earning together with us, or simply by copying our ready-made trades or connecting your account to our trader. And, as I mentioned, your profitability will be around 70%, or even 80 to 90% of trades being successful. If we're talking about profit on your deposit, that's on average an increase of 50 to 90% on your deposit in just 1 week. So, you can do the math yourself. For example, with $10,000, you could actually make $7,000 in a week. Yes, these are high risks, but still, we do a really good job. We analyze well, we work effectively with risk management, and that's not going to be a problem. Moreover, as I mentioned, we have a completely different range of options. And if you want to choose a risk-taking trader who opens a lot of trades, go ahead. If you prefer fewer trades, you're not in a rush, and your main priority is safety, that's possible too. Please, you have that option. Just go to our website, and there you'll find information about our team, our history, and about copy trading as well. So, you won't have any trouble understanding how our team works and what we make money on. So, if you want to trade with real professional traders, just follow the link in the description and join us right now. Now, let me show you another little way we analyze the chart. British pound, Japanese yen. Here we have a currency pair. I checked the news and see that there was news about the Japanese yen, but it doesn't affect the price. It affects the volatility. So, that gives us a nice bonus. It means this currency pair will be volatile. Basically, we can also see see that from the volume. Let's analyze it together. Here we have an upward movement, but the price has reached this whole volume area, and accordingly, it's likely to get stuck here for now. But since the volumes are large, we might be able to push through higher. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart to see what's happening. And interestingly, on the 5-minute chart, the situation is actually a bit different. We had volumes below and above the current point. So, accordingly, we can even do it like this. Let's see where the volumes were earlier, and they are all located right in this zone. So, basically, the same zone is now responsible for the volume. In theory, from the 1 minute up to even the 5-minute chart, we can open a buy trade. It's all because the price has moved out of these very volumes. I suggest we test it out right now. There are no volumes above us. So basically, nothing is stopping the price from going higher. So let's open a trade from here on the currency pair, British pound, Japanese yen, for an upward move for 1 minute. Actually, it would be safer to go for 3 minutes right now, but 1 minute is also a decent time frame. So, as you can see, I do a simple analysis, sometimes just using volume, both horizontal and vertical, and sometimes just regular levels. We can trade using simple technical tools, or we can trade with more complex ones. And honestly, that's a great variety, because you can analyze the market any way you want. There are so many strategies, so many methods, and each method is good in its own way. One person just can't learn them all. Yes, we have a trading bot that helps us a lot, but still, if we're talking about manual trading, then of course, the community is key. That's a huge advantage. So once again, if you really want to earn with us, with a team of professionals, and minimize your risks, then follow the links in the description and check out our website, and then join our team. As you can see, that's another advantage. Really, we caught an easy move here with such a simple analysis. So, if you really want to earn with us, you know what to do, right? Just follow the links in the description. Message us, whether it's on WhatsApp, our Telegram account, our support account, or directly to a manager, and our team will tell you exactly what you need to do to become our partner. Anyway, I'm leaving all the links in the description, and with that, I'll say goodbye for now. But make sure to rate this video. Did you like it or not? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see even more useful content that can help you earn money. All the links are in the description. I'll see you in the next video.